what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this disposable camera filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You have two options here, without eyelashes and with eyelashes likewise, and you have this slider bar here. You can adjust your facial symmetry, some thicker lip and all these things likewise. Okay, so to get this filter on Instagram, what you can do, you can visit the creator profile. Julia Roga is the creator of these filters. You can follow her to unlock all this filter to your Instagram camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. Well, when you go to her profile, you will see the profile like this, and you have to go to this filter gallery, the smiley button. This is the filter gallery, and if you can't see this smiley button or this effect gallery, then what you can do, you can refresh this page by dragging the page down like this. 1 minute, yeah, like this. So refresh the page and you will see this effect gallery. So go there and scroll down. She is having lots of filter. It's towards the bottom. Yep, this is the filter, disposable camera. Just tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with Instagram likewise. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.